Say hi.
Hi, handsome.
Where are we going?
Wherever you want.
Oh, that's why I love you. Let's go for a ride. What do you got there? What is this? Brand new bike?
It is. It's not leaking or anything.
Not anymore. Fucking both bikes started puking out the carburetor as soon as we got here. That was fun. Yeah, the wind is great too. I love it. I love everything about today. Oh, jeez. Can you turn that thing around? Can you back that ass up? Look at Kermit go. Got a matching helmet, goggles, man. See if she makes this corner. Oop, feet down. And back up. Alright, well, we'll turn around and do this trail backwards then. Thanks, butthead. Trail out here called Buffer, I think. Yeah, Buffer. Get her used to that. Let's see how she goes. You ready to go up that hill?
Up I think is easier than down.
Still stage? Nope, flat. Okay. Now I'm screwed. Come on. Come on now. I'm just digging a fucking hole. Alright. I'm back in the fucking hole. God damn it. Oh shit. Holy crap. That was not graceful. And I bet she just fucking mixed it right up. I don't know how I got stuck on that one.
Not in the left side, it's all dirt.
The wrong way. Don't know how I didn't drop that. in places, not bad. We've done it like 4 times already.
Not on this bike, but okay.
That means I gotta do it. Okay. It's actually not that bad. Motorcycle only, Silver King. That's what this is like when it gets dry, just so loose. It hasn't rained in a while. Look out. Now lift up from the other handlebar, the bottom one. There you go. Oh, all right, that's a no. Hell yeah.
It's gonna fall down the hill if I...
Okay, we'll put the kickstand up. I got it. Good job.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it gets really loose, man. I think it's because there hasn't been any rain. It's just so soft. Tires go everywhere they want to, except...
I have some of that water. I'm really dehydrated.
That's it. Drink the hate. Let the hate flow through you.
What? Did you say hate?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm feeling it a little bit. I'm too tired.
This is gonna be fun. Gears in. Fry that clutch. Come on. Oh shit! Where'd that rock come from? Fuck. I just climbed up over a fucking giant rock. That's why I wouldn't go. Okay. Oh, handlebars are a little tweaked, but we'll fix that later. Okay. That get you?
That fucking got me.
Spitting rocks at you?
Oh my god. Oh.
That was fun. Here, hang on. Let go. There, that's probably straighter than it was. Alright. I need to call a taxi to get back to my bike. It's flooded, full throttle.
Too exposed.
Aww.
Child-proof.
Baby needs some help.
Well, I want to get it on tighter this time so it doesn't blow off.
What? Oh, this has one of those stupid
Child-proof.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, don't focus.
Can you tighten it? This thing got cold again. Yeah, you can lead. We'll just tag along behind. We can get to Spring from this way.
Yeah.
You want to? You can actually, if you do buffer. Oh yeah, we can go back that way.
That goes over to Spring and then Spring.
Yeah.
That's a loop.
Yeah. Okay. I haven't been up that way today.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
If I remember right.
Yeah. You're right. that warm.
I remember what it used to, like what it's supposed to feel like.
Yeah.
But I keep leaning back and holding on.
That's a little cliffy. It's what we like to call exposure. Oh, fuck. Oh my goodness. Yes. So much different from riding a mountain bike. It just soaks it all up and wants to go faster, even on all this downhill stuff. Cliffy.
Holy crap. Doing those big rocky bits on the 230 is extremely difficult.
This thing, it feels really stiff if you go slow.
If you don't have enough gravel.
Yeah. But
is it the stock bar?
I think so. Everything is, I mean, stock tires, man. It's still got 15-year-old tires on it.
Yeah. They look pretty.
Yeah. Still got nubs. But hard as a rock. We're just talking about you. How awesome you are.
Oh yeah, super awesome.
What a trooper.
Well, I mean, I did this on the 125 and it was different. It still feels a lot more precarious on this one.
Yeah.
I'm struggling with his goddamn helmet. Yeah.
That gear doesn't go anywhere. Whatever works. Doggy. Oh shit. Don't go off the edge. More fun the faster you go until you hit one of those cliffs on the outside of a fucking jump.
My confidence is just gone.
Yeah,
hitting the big rocks that kick you.
Yeah.
Like you have to just be used to it.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah.
I'm used to 100% traction on the road all the time.
All right. Guys, this was going to be kind of scary for me. This is my buddy Chris showed up this afternoon, and on a KTM 350 4-stroke, clearly a lot faster than I am. So we're going to do some of the trails we did earlier. Hope I don't die. Silver King. I think I'm gonna back up. I can't see the trail with all this dust. Whoa, fuck. Oh, shit. Woo. Holy crap. I'm good. Yeah, it's so dusty I couldn't see the trail anymore.
I know.
Ended up in the rocks and went fucking straight between the pylons.
Oh.
Got the front wheel stuck. But we're good. I'll give you some room. That's not how you do that. Doggy.
Oh, when did this become jawbone?
Yeah, super deep.
Sandy.
Yeah.
Too exposed and sandy for my coffee.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm trying to stay back from you so I can see where I'm going, and also fucking not crash. I lost the front coming into a right-hander, the gravity cavity. Fucking plowed off the side of the road.
Yep.
Fortunately, it was the good side.
Yeah, the exposure's annoying though.
Yeah. It's a little cliffy.
Alright.
I guess those Chinese bikes, you just leave them where they die. Somebody will come throw some dirt on it soon. This is super fucking deep and sandy. Yeah, I came down it earlier and was just two-wheel drifting the whole way down. Should be easier.
But, yeah.
God damn it, sideways. No fucking traction on this tire. God damn it. Oh, fuck. Oh, come on. Fuck me, Jesus Christ. Are we gonna go forward or sideways? couldn't get started, man.
Yeah, with that run up, did you go back and then?
No, I tractored up it, but fuck, I mean, I started to follow you, and the back end just drifted sideways. There was no forward motion at all. It just went sideways, and I stopped. And then I dug myself a hole, so I had to go backwards and backwards and backwards, and finally.
It teaches you good throttle control.
Yeah, I mean, I always cover the clutch in case it wants to loop out, but.
Yeah. Well, you probably won't.
But zero fucking traction.
Yeah.
Zero traction.
Okay. I would recommend this guy.
Yeah, been on it many times.
Yeah, less exposed.
Okay. Oh, Jesus. Woo, doggy. Holy fuck. Okay. This motherfucker. It's a whole different trail when you're going faster.
Yeah. I love the little water bar jumps.
Yeah.
Most of them are fun and safe.
Yeah.
One of them got me. It went into a downhill turn.
Yeah.
For future reference, what is this one? Broken spoke?
Yeah.
You see how there's a blue sticker under the black sticker?
Yeah.
The first part of this is blue, and then they added a new trail that goes to the peak. That's very difficult. I came down it once. I'm not sure I'd do it again. But until you get to a very obviously impossible hill climb, this is a really fun trail that's not very hard.
Cool. What about, I think it goes this way too, yeah?
Yeah, I think it just...
That just goes back down to the fire road?
Yeah. And then I love this section back to the lot. There's a really fun like...
Yeah, Yeah, you can stay on this and then get back to the one we started on that goes up over to staging area 2.
Yeah, yeah. It
comes out on that fire road right there.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Cool.
Fun, man.
Sweet. I'm not dumping you too much, am I?
No, not at all. View doesn't suck.
No, one of those climbs got me.
Yeah. So loose, man.
Yeah, this thing, I haven't changed anything about it. It's very geared for like freeway / high speed.
You in first?
I'm actually in first for most of it.
I'm like, I can tractor third, but sometimes I go to second.
Yeah, I have to slip on those climbs in first, I still have to slip the clutch.
Wow.
And I haven't done that in so long that I'm like, oh no, I'm bogging. Oh yeah, I have a
Clutch.
Took me a second. And my rear brake is too low to use while standing.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm pretty much front brake only, which is scary.
My back brake is just basically a skid device. I use more front brake than anything else, and with the clutch out, I got some engine braking.
Exactly. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's like this is left brake, this is rear brake, front brake.
Yeah, exactly.
Reverse mountain bike. Wait.
Yeah.
The reverse mountain.
Yeah.
I was worried that was going to throw me off.
Yeah.
But it doesn't.
On the mountain bike, I'm like, okay. Right hand is rear brake and rear sprocket, and the left hand is front brake and front sprocket. Right. So as long as you remember everything on the front's on one hand and everything on the rear's on the other, it's okay. You figure it out.
Okay.
All right, cool.
A little bit of this trail.
Oh, fuck. Pushed the front pretty good through that. would be fun if I could go faster here. This looks awesome. Yeah, that's that rock I dug out. I think. Yeah, that's it. Man,
that one, I don't know.
that little swoopy section that was really sandy would have been so fun if he could go fast through that.
Uphill.
Yeah?
Going this way, that's a lot of fun. But it's super scary.
Yeah, I got stuck going up, you know, where the pavement blocks are.
Yeah.
Come off of that, I went about 20 yards, and the back tire just went sideways again instead of going forward. So.
All right, well, I would really recommend the bottom part of the road.
Uh-huh.
It's way less intimidating than these trails. It's not.
You mean this road that way, or?
No, this road that way.
Oh, okay.
It's around the corner here.
Uh-huh.
It's right where.
And the one that goes up the next hill over. Right. There's a big hill climb.
It's right where street goes to the right.
Yeah.
It goes to the left.
Yeah. It looks like a gnarly hill climb. I see a lot of trucks stuck halfway up it.
The very, very last one at the top is hard.
Yeah.
The rest of them aren't. And it's also very much like you can just stop and turn around wherever. It's not like...
That's cool.
But anyway.
All right.
Up to you.
Thirsty?
What's up? Oh.
Want a beer?
This is water, though. Head back?
Yeah.
Yeah.